Hey guys, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. So, I want to do a quick little update with you guys. So, as you can see, I haven't been posting that often, and there's a couple reasons behind it. And I would say back in 2021, around the holidays, me and my husband got super sick. We both had COVID and all that. We didn't have a Christmas because we were sick. But we're fine now. Much better. Been better for a while now. Staying safe and everything. And then on top of that, we had some odds and ends in the background that we were working on. And then on top of that, and I'm working full time now. I'm going to still be posting, but it won't be as often. I'm going to try to set a schedule, maybe try to do it on the weekends or by Friday, try to have something up. But just bear with me because with a full-time job and 3 kids, it's a little rough, but I got it. Just stay tuned, and thanks for following and subscribing. And be sure to share my content with people that you know. And thanks for sticking around, guys, that are subscribed. And if you're not, don't forget to hit that bell and jazz it up. Hey y'all, it's Kraftsbyjazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.